Hello, Lauren. This is Whitney and Caitlin.
Hello, everybody. We are here at the home of Patience Park. And now we are going to show you around.
Huh?
Are you just checking the sights?
Sure.
That was Cody. Let's go this way.
We're going this way. There's a tree. We shall sit on a bench and show you how it is done. First, you put down Rufus. See, this is Rufus. Set Rufus down. Then, focus on the bench. And then focus on your butt. And then you watch Whitney as she graciously performs that.
Yeah, I'll show her how you do it. Ready. Gotta put it.
Right. That's how you sit down on a stool. Now, let's move along. Oh, first you gotta pick back Rufus up. Dust off your derriere of anything. Show him how it's done, Winnie. Okay. Now, let's continue walking. Okay. I wish there was a pause button on.